Watch this video to take a tour of Xero's Report Center and Customizing reports. To access the Report Center, click Reporting, then choose All Reports. When it comes to understanding your financial data, you want it to be fast, easy, and customizable. Xero reports help you access the data you need so you can get valuable business insights. Use the Find a Report field to help you quickly search for reports you haven't favorited, rather than scrolling through the list. You can search by report name, description, or keywords, so it's easy to find a specific report. At the top of the homepage is the Favorites section, where you can quickly access the reports you use most. Xero automatically favorites popular reports, such as the Profit and Loss and Balance Sheet. Select the star icon next to any report to add it to your favorites. Favorite reports also show in the Reporting menu, so you don't need to go to the Report Center to access them. Toggle the Show Descriptions option to view or hide details about each section and report so that you can scan the list for the best report to fit your needs. The main reports page is split into sections to categorize similar reports together. There's sections for Financial Performance, reports that help you understand your business's financial position at a glance. Financial Statements, reports that help you examine your business's performance. Payables and Receivables, reports that help you understand the money your customers owe you and the money you owe your suppliers. Reconciliations, reports that help you check your data and ensure your financial records are accurate. Taxes and Balances, sales tax and general ledger reports, where you can see a record of all your business's financial data. And Transactions, reports to view transaction details and search for duplicate statement lines. You'll also see sections for payroll and project reports if you use those Xero products. The reports listed in each section are the default versions, which you can tailor to your needs. Some reports, such as the Profit and Loss and Balance Sheet, have other common formats, which you can see by clicking the menu icon. These are pre-customized versions of the default report that are commonly used and are available without the need for manual customization. If you make changes to any reports, you can save them as custom. They appear in the Custom tab for easy access and can also be favorited like any other reports. You can tailor reports specific to your workflows or your needs without wasting time rebuilding the report every time you need it. The Advisor tab is where Xero's accounting and bookkeeping partners can access report templates, which are practice-wide templates in Xero HQ to help standardize reports across an entire client base. The Drafts tab is where you'll find any reports you've saved while still working on them, so your progress isn't lost if you have to stop and start the customization of a report. The Publish tab contains reports you want to save a locked copy of. The published report is a snapshot of the figures within the report at a particular time, for example, the bank reconciliation report, a trial balance, or a completed set of financials before they're reviewed and need adjustments. If there are reports you no longer need access to, you can archive them, which moves them to the Archive tab. This means they're hidden but can still be accessed or taken out of archive if you need them in the future. Now you're familiar with the Report Center, let's open the Profit and Loss report to see the customization options available. Basic customization is found at the top of the report. Set report dates, choose comparative periods, select tracking categories to compare or filter by, and add extra information using the More button. We can customize reports further by clicking the Edit Layout button at the bottom of the report. Add text blocks, schedules, or footers to format the report to your needs. Add rows to groups related accounts together. And columns to add date periods, tracking categories, budgets, or variances to get financial performance insights. Easily rearrange rows and columns by dragging and dropping into the order needed. Once you've edited the layout of your report, click Update Layout to view the custom report. You can save customized reports, so you don't need to edit the default report every time. Click Save As and choose from 3 options. If you just want to save your current view and return to it later, choose Draft. Choose Published once you've reviewed the figures and want to save a version of the report for the period. Any changes you make in Xero later won't be reflected in the published report. If you want to reuse this specific layout and its settings for future reports, select Custom. This saves your preferences as a custom report template, so you can easily access it again without having to set everything up from scratch. Give it a clear name, and it will appear under your Custom Reports list in the Report Center. All reports can be downloaded in different formats. Export reports to Excel, PDF, or Google Sheets. You can also export a styled PDF to add your business branding to a report to be used for board meetings or presentation purposes. Explore Xero's reports to assess your business's financial health and monitor the financial performance.